What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy LB and welcome back to my another tutorial video. Guys, in this video I just want to show you how I create this mask effect inside the Premiere Pro. Guys, I like to use this effect especially in music video like drill, jazz, something like that. And if you want to, you can use it in your music video, but especially what kind of speed your music video is going with. Let's jump on and let's see how it is.
Yes guys, so here in this Premiere Pro I have two different video clips. This is the first one and this is the second one. So now come here at the end of this first clip. I just want to take the screenshot of the last frame. So this is the last frame of my first clip. So now come here on export frame, then click here on it. The format must be in JPEG. Click OK. So now after exporting this image, so now let me jump on here on Adobe Photoshop for removing this background. So now you can remove this background by using this selective tool, or you can use this pen tool. So guys, I have already removed this background. This is my PNG format. I have to export this image without background. So now let me save it as PNG. I have to choose this PNG format, guys, and then let me rename it. Yeah, that's great. So now after removing this background on your subject, so now back here on Premiere Pro, I have to import my image here in Premiere Pro. Yeah, this is my image, guys. So now let me come to put it here on the second clip, guys. This is how my image is above this footage clip. So now after this, click here on this image, guys. I'm going to animate. I just want to animate my image from here on this position to down. So now come here on effect, then search the effect called transform. Yes, drag this transform here on this PNG image. So guys, as you know, I'm going to use scale as usual. So I come here at the beginning of this clip and then click here to add the keyframe on this position, so I can jump like a few frames, and then let me move down my image just like this. Okay, so when I play, this is how it looks like, but it doesn't, this animation, it is not cool, guys. I have to add some motion blur. Okay, come here on transform again, then mute this, use composition shutter angle, and I have to add this shutter angle at 180. So when I play, this is how it looks like. When it is going too small, just you can decrease the space between those two keyframes. Okay, yeah, this is cool. So and then after this, I'm going to add some exposure transition between those two clips. Okay, so now let me first add adjustment layer first, and then let me put it here between two clips. Okay, let me use this small one. Okay, so now come here at the center of those two clips and then go on effect, search the effect called lumetric color. Yeah, this is lumetric color, and then drop it here on this adjustment layer. So now open up this basic correction, and then I just want this exposure. So now I can add this exposure just like this, and then after adding exposure here, make sure the line is in the center of those two clips. Okay, so now add the keyframe here, and then I can jump like 3 frames, and then let me put it to 0. This is cool, and then let me jump another 3 frames front forward, and then let me put it 0 again. So now when I play, this is how the transition is. Okay guys, so for separating with this first clip and this second one, I can add black and white on this second clip. So already I have to add this geometric color on this second clip. So now open up this basic correction tool. So now I have to reduce this saturation. I have to put it to 0. Okay, so when I play, this is how my effect is when this image is already get down. You can cut here on this second clip, guys, and then I can remove this black and white for this image. I can add 100. So when I play, guys, this is how my effect looks like.
This effect, please don't forget to subscribe. Man, I like this effect, guys, because it's so pretty for me, and you too can use it in your music video. So any question, leave it in the comment down below. Subscribe, like, share, and what. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Peace.